how to show weather info with current location name on the lock screen on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. So if you want to have a bit of information about your current weather condition and the location of where you are, here's how you can add it to your lock screen. First, let's go back to your home screen, and on the home screen, touch and hold. Then we go down and tap on Wallpaper and Style. At the top here, tap on the left panel, which is your lock screen panel. Then in here, in the widget panel, I'm going to remove some widgets to make space for the new widget. Now we scroll down and tap on Weather to expand out the weather category. From here, we scroll down to the bottom and select the last widget. So tap on it. Here, tap on Done at the top and then tap on the Home button. Now go to your lock screen and you will be able to view the current weather condition, the temperature, and if it's snowing or raining, as well as the city location or the suburb location of your current reading. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.